Learning at Home with IKEA. Hey barn, I'm Amanda and welcome to our third episode of Learning at Home with IKEA. Today we are going to be learning about nature. So let's learn some Swedish words that can be useful when discussing nature. Flower, blomma, blomma. Animal, djur, djur. Fish, fisk, fisk. You could use these words in a sentence. For example, a rose is a flower. En ros är en blomma. En ros är en blomma. A weasel is an animal. En vessla är ett djur. En vessla är ett djur. A haddock is a fish. En kolja är en fisk. En kolja är en fisk. Kolja is also the name of a mirror from IKEA. I hope you have enjoyed learning about nature. Now, how about a final math question? If I have 5 screws, but have to use 3, how many screws does that leave me with? 2 screws. 2 screws, that's correct. That's all for Learning at Home with IKEA. We hope you've enjoyed our lessons. Hej då!